I know you want to eat it right now, but you can't. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxinescorner. So what you see in front of you is what? A mini little food processor, blender, call it what you want. But so in today's video, we're going to be making a 3-ingredient, yes, you heard it right, 3 ingredients pancake, yes. So the first thing that you're going to need is rolled oats, and it is gluten-free. I am using gluten-free rolled oats. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with that. So I'm going to take it, and I'm going to use my handheld blender. Not really handheld, but I'll cover it up, and then I'm just going to mix this so it could turn into flour. So it's pretty much oat flour. So with that, I'm going to add 1 banana. Just add it in there. Just like that. See that? Simple and easy. And then I will add half of a cup of milk. I am using sweetened almond milk. Now, this is completely optional, guys. Don't come for me. I am going to add some cinnamon. But this is pretty much up to you if you want to or if you don't. You can add or not add cinnamon. It's pretty much up to you. But you can spice it up however you want. This is just extra stuff. So let's just go ahead and mix this together. All right. So good. Look at that. Okay, my healthy people. So here we are. I have my stove on low heat. And then to that, I'm going to add some coconut oil. You can use coconut oil spray. Just make sure that you distribute it evenly in the pan. To make this even, I'm just going to use 1/3, my 1/3 cups. Small little pancakes. Simple and easy. And as you may see, they're starting to sizzle. Low heat. I'm just making sure that it doesn't stick, although I am using a non-stick pan, which is what I recommend for you guys to use as well. Okay, I think we're good to flip these. Let's see how's my flip game. Boop. Oh, not bad, not bad, not bad. Oh, okay. That wasn't so good. Move over. That would be so good. Get on there. Flipsies. There we go. It's so simple, guys. Low heat. You'll know when it's ready. You'll know. Okay, my healthy people. These are our delicious, gluten-free, easy, lazy day pancake. Veganuary day 5. All right, so the best way that I like to eat this is sprinkle a little pomegranate on it. I will drizzle a little brown rice. What I'm going to need you to do is just sprinkle a little bit of brown rice syrup all over it. Looks so yummy and delicious. I absolutely love making these pancakes. You're going to love them. Your kids are going to love them. And your family's going to love them as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Doesn't that look so yummy and delicious? Okay, my healthy people, here it is, our lazy day vegan 3 ingredients pancake. Veganuary day 5, absolutely delicious. Make this for your family. Everyone will love it, and you're gonna love it too. It's simple and it's easy. Once again, 3 ingredients, lazy day. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Maxinescorner. I'll see you guys next time in another video. And say it with me. Go on. Stay healthy.